So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutomania. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download your information on Instagram on your Android device. First of all, open your Instagram app, then go to Profile, then Settings. Now here go to Account Center. Here you will see an option, Your Information and Permission. Open it. Now here you will see multiple options. Just go to Download Your Information, then tap Download Your Information again. Now here it will ask you about how you want to download your information. If you want to download your complete information, then tap on first option. If you want to download some of your information, just tap on second option. Now here it will ask you about how you want to download your information. If you want to download on this device or you want to transfer it, I'll go with the first option. Here it will give you some details. If you want to change them, you can go to date range and select the date from where you want to download your information, then save. Now go to email, and here you have to enter the email for the notifications, and that's it. Then press continue. Now here you can see my request for information download has been sent to Instagram. Once they've accepted my request, they will send me an email to my email address, and that's it. That's how you can download your information on Instagram on your Android phone. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.